Well, Bill, let's say that you love fried rice, but I want you to know you don't have to dine out to actually make this meal. Chef Jayaun Smith is going to show us how to do it just right.
Today we're gonna be making some fried rice. I'm gonna kick it up a little notch and I'm gonna do chicken. You can also do shrimp. I'm doing mine on a flat top. You can also do it on a griddle. You can do it in a saute pan. You can do it in a wok if you want to. All right, so I already have all my ingredients here. I got some peas and carrots right here with a little bit of minced garlic. I have my day-old rice that's just been chilling inside the refrigerator. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of extra garlic oil just for some extra oomph. Boom. We'll get that oil nice and spread it out evenly around here. I'm gonna start by adding my peas and carrots. Go ahead and crack my eggs. Put them on the other side. And we're gonna get this rice added. And so when making fried rice for me, I like to do soy sauce to taste. I treat it like salt, of course, because we know what soy sauce is. So, always to taste. I'm gonna hit these vegetables with a little bit of that kung pao sauce right here. I'm gonna also get these eggs flipped over. And I'm gonna start chopping these up. And I'm gonna start by adding we're gonna start with about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce just right now. See, I'm not using all of it just yet, because like I said, it's the taste. I'm gonna go ahead and bring all of this over to it. It's super easy, super simple, super quick. You don't have to have a lot of different ingredients to be able to do this. Everybody tries to make fried rice difficult. Mine is super sweet and super simple. And I can tell by eye test that this is good on seasoning because my rice is dark, blended very well, and everything looks well and composed. So I'm gonna take this rice off because it cooks really fast. There's no real cooking time to it. And now with this reserved chicken, I like to top mine. Even if I'm using shrimp, chicken, no matter what I'm using, I like to put it on top. So I'm gonna hit it with just about a little teaspoon of soy sauce. Some more of this kung pao sauce, and you can add however much of the sauce that you want to. I like mine saucy, so I'm gonna do a little bit of extra so it can cook into it. We're just gonna take this chicken off. All right, let's go plate up and taste this. So we got our fried rice done. We got our kung pao chicken done. So whenever I'm plating fried rice, I always like to try to find a bowl, container that has a nice shape. So all I'm gonna just take this plate. So now we're just gonna take some of this chicken. Just gonna put it on the top. Hit it with a little bit of sesame seeds. And a little green onion. There we go. Easy homemade fried rice.
I think we are all hungry now, and one of my favorite parts is when Chef Jayaun says, I'm gonna hit those veggies with a little kung pao sauce. Bill?
Definitely look good.